Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's make an autumn potpourri. Fall is in full swing and you're likely looking for ways to make your home feel more comforting as the days get shorter. Conventional air fresheners can contain irritating chemicals, but that doesn't mean you can't make your home smell deliciously cozy. Stovetop Potpourri takes advantage of evaporating liquid in a pot to dissipate wonderful smells through your home. Just throw together the ingredients and let them simmer away on low for a natural and affordable air freshener. Use 2 tablespoons of cloves, 8 star anise pods, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 4 cinnamon sticks and 2 apples. Feel free to adjust the recipe according to your preferences and just continue adding water to keep the smell going. Cut the apples into rounds and place them into a pot. You will feel like taking a walk through the apple orchard. Their aroma revitalizes the body and relieves the symptoms of jet lag, clears headaches, and helps to combat nervous exhaustion and stress-related conditions. A stovetop potpourri will make all your autumn dreams come true and have guests asking what it is that makes your house smell so divine. This potpourri recipe is inspired by autumn. It's all about falling leaves, scents, colors, and coziness. It's like inviting inside your home all the sensations and scents felt on an autumn walk in nature. Add cloves. They help to relieve respiratory conditions like cough and asthma, headache, and some stress symptoms. Add fennel seeds. They help manage anxiety, depression, and fatigue, and they are a good antioxidant. Add star anise. It has an aroma similar to black licorice. It helps easing bronchitis, colds, and flu. Helps reducing anxiety, anger, depression, and stress. Add cinnamon sticks. They will add a spicy, sweet, and cozy scent. Cinnamon is known to diminish the feelings of depression, faintness, and exhaustion, will relax the body, enhance the mood, and better sleep. Now that we placed nicely all the ingredients, just add water. I added about 2 liters of water. Bring water to a boil. Then lower the heat and simmer. Be sure to keep your simmer pot on the back burner and replenish with water as needed. Enjoy the smell that will soon infuse in your home. Keep an eye on your pot and perhaps set a timer. You don't want all of the water to evaporate and let the pan run dry. Top off with more water as needed to keep the simmering spices going for many hours. When you're done, toss the mixture in your compost pile and go along with your day for a zero-waste scent experience. Potpourri makes your house smell festive and fresh. Plus, research has shown that just the scent of fall smells will boost your mood as the seasons change. This is a wonderful, all-natural way to bring the fresh smell of fall right into your home. Please let me know in the comments below if you ever made a potpourri yourself. Stovetop potpourris or pot simmers are a wonderful way to scent your whole house naturally without using toxin-filled sprays or candles. In this video, I wanted to show you that creating that perfect fall smell that wafts through your home and makes you want to start baking apple pies and get cozy under a warm blanket is surprisingly easy to achieve. All it takes is a few natural items and a pot. I wish you could smell my home right now. It smells like the perfect fall day. So cozy. You will be amazed at how powerful this lovely DIY potpourri scent is and how your house is transformed into a crisp fall day. I hope you enjoyed my video and I gave you some inspiration or motivation. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye!